You don't need to be famous. You don't need to have a lot of money to be a blessing to someone else. Now, I am filling in the past couple of, I want to say maybe a few weeks, I have been training different pharmacists at different stores. And so I'm filling in for a manager that is off this weekend. She is off taking care of some things. And so I was able, I believe in, listen, you scratch my back, I scratch your back, okay? Because there are going to be times, especially going into the fall for me, where I'm going to need someone to cover for me. But I say that to say I am working with her technicians, and they are so open. They're in their early 20s, but I just couldn't help but think about how, so I took some time to write on a sticky note some things for one of her technicians to do. She's going to be in the medical field, but she's really young. She's in her 20s. I told her to join LinkedIn, join an organization, go to the movies by yourself, just recently getting out of breakup. But I want to share the same thing with you. Stop waiting for your life to be perfect to be able to bless someone, even if it's just one word of wisdom.